Ex-boyfriend suspected of killing 16-year-old girl now in police custody. Male companion of dead teen named as person of interest in a separate incident. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A male who is said to be the ex-boyfriend of 16-year-old Tara Elisa Dennis, who was shot and succumbed to her injuries on Saturday in Little London and Westmoreland, is now in police custody. Anthony Spliffy McNeil, who was named as a prime suspect in the killing, surrendered himself to the police on Sunday. He is in custody. He came in yesterday with his attorney and later he will be questioned and most definitely be charged, Assistant Commissioner of Police Clifford Chambers told reporters. Tara Elisa Dennis and a male companion, 38-year-old Darren Stewart, were allegedly attacked by McNeil while they were engaged in a discussion on Dennis' veranda. Both Dennis and Stewart suffered gunshot wounds and were transported to hospital, where Dennis succumbed to her injuries and the man admitted for treatment. Stewart, who was released from hospital, has since been named by the police as a person of interest in activities in the corporate era. According to the police, Stewart had been cooling out in Westmoreland. Chambers told reporters that he was disappointed when he learned that the hospital released Stewart without contacting the police. "I was a little disturbed when I learned that the other man that was with her was treated at hospital and released, given that it was a gunshot injury. I was of the view that the hospital would not release him until they contacted the police," Chambers said. He is appealing to Stewart to turn himself in for questioning. Meanwhile, Chambers said that he's happy the case is coming to a close. "I am happy that this matter brought to a closure quickly, but again speak to the issue of young men not able to control their emotions and be in possession of illegal firearms," he added. Chambers said he's looking into the matter of Dennis being employed at the age with his legal advisor and will provide further updates. Dennis reportedly had arrived from home prior to the incident. Links 007 TV will have more details to come on this in a subsequent newscast. Thanks for watching.